How are you?
How are you? How are you? तुम कैसे हो?
I am fine.
I'm fine. I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो?
I am going to the market.
I am going to the market. I am going to the market. मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
I am studying.
I am studying. I am studying. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ.
Are you busy?
Are you busy? Are you busy? क्या तुम मसरूफ हो?
No, I am free.
No, I'm free. No, I'm free. नहीं, मैं फारिग हूँ.
Can you help me?
Can you help me? Can you help me? क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. जी हाँ, जरूर.
What is your name?
What is your name? What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
My name is Ahmed.
My name is Ahmed. My name is Ahmed. मेरा नाम अहमद है.
Do you like tea?
Do you like tea? Do you like tea? क्या तुम्हें चाय पसंद है?
Yes, I like tea.
Yes, I like tea. Yes, I like tea. जी हाँ, मुझे चाय पसंद है.
When will you come?
When you will come, when you will come. तुम कब आओगे?
I will come in the evening.
I will come in the evening. I will come in the evening. मैं शाम को आऊँगा.
What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want? तुम क्या चाहते हो?
I want water.
I want water. I want water. मुझे पानी चाहिए.
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुम तैयार हो?
Yes, I am ready.
Yes, I'm ready. जी हाँ, मैं तैयार हूँ.
Why are you late?
Why are you late? Why are you late? तुम देर से क्यों आए?
I was busy.
I was busy. I was busy. मैं मसरूफ था.